Manufacturers have more data than ever, but too often, the answers are trapped across MES, SCADA, QMS, ERP, and spreadsheets. Conversational AI manufacturing data intelligence gives teams a simpler way forward. Ask plain English questions and get instant, usable answers. In medical device manufacturing, the challenge is proving compliance without losing days to manual audit prep. Instead of chasing device history records, deviations, and CAPAs across systems, teams can ask for a traceability summary in seconds. In pharma and life sciences, conversational AI helps teams investigate temperature excursions, reconcile batch records, and review weights and measures data without waiting on custom reports or SQL queries. In semiconductor manufacturing, where minutes matter, engineers can ask what changed before a defect spike and correlate yield, process, and equipment data before scrap turns into a pattern. For electronics manufacturers, high mix complexity makes static dashboards obsolete. Line leads can ask which stations, parts, or product families are driving quality issues and act during the shift. Start with one product family, one line, or one site. Connected manufacturing helps you turn plant data into answers, and answers into measurable improvement. Visit connectedmanufacturing.com to book a call with us and start your 90-day roadmap today.